Stop.
Yeah.
Because Mob's a fat cunt.
No, it's not.
Yo.
That's not nice. What did I do? If she would have, an angel would have never been born.
You know
Yeah,
what?
exactly.
Mob, your mum should have swallowed you.
Nah.
It's like a fucking rake.
Get his quad muscles up.
Give me knee.
His ass crack.
Looks like he's got a pair of tits on his ass.
Holy shit, that nigga thick. Look at all that movement back there. Look, we got a diaper on, dude. Look at the state of that.
This reminds me of a UFC fighter who has eyes like this a little bit.
Oh, she's clapped.
What the fuck? He's buff as fuck. Much RGBs inside this PC, though.
Oh, yeah.
Nah, weird. So she's down here, yeah? Playing Fortnite, are you fucking kidding?
Hey, what you on about?
Let's see if I can show you the video. This guy's legs just got inverted. Watch this shit.
Oh, my.
Bro's legs just got inverted, bro. You thick cunt. You not, bro. Bro, his legs are fucked after that. Ref! There's a fucking penalty! Come on! He's in the ball! That's a red card all day. That's a fucking red card all day. Shit. Do you know if I lose this game? I was literally cooking food, yeah? No, dead ass. I was. He's won the game because I went AFK to get my fucking chicken out of him before it burned. No, dead ass, you're laughing, yeah? But it's not. Guys, fucking come off the post again! Aubameyang! Let's play again. Go. What the fuck is that, you stupid? Aubameyang! Great. I've lost the game because I take fucking chicken out the oven!
Holy shit. What the fuck are those? What the fuck? Motherfuckers are going crazy tonight, what the fuck? Yo, they keep launching these rockets, yeah, and they're fucking massive. Holy fuck. Yo, 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 yo. Oh. Here we go. These guys are brilliant. They're blowing so much money on fireworks. Look at this 5-star Chinese restaurant. Look at those fucking wings. Oh my god. They are the crispiest fucking wings I've ever seen in my life. Incredible, bro. What the fuck? Get back to the Bradford town. What are we talking about?
I can hear that mug in corner as well.
Let's see it go.
Shit. Oh my neck. Fuck you wanna go like. Yeah, you're done.
Bitch.
You're done for.
Let me have this
I'm
long
just gonna be up your crack.
Bitch, you're gonna fall off. Bitch, you're gonna fall off. Bitch, what are you doing? It's too busy, folks. Hey, look, this I'm gonna give this princess hitting me up back shots here.
There's two. Which one? The bomb one or the
Fucking
bomb
both of them. Blonde ones. Oh yeah, oh she's a fucking got a bow with it. She's a slaggy one. Look at that coming distance.
Look at his face. Look at it.
Eddie Kruger caught him lacking and came back with him. Fuck.
Predator's gone and ransacked his face off.
What the fuck is that? Here we go, let's have a look at that fucking seal again. Get back.
Get on. That seal's getting back to the Bradford town.
Fucking blast. His name's Ronnie Pickering, he's a seal. Actually, a fucking better get on top of that fucking seal if you get ransacked by land. Look at that seal.
I wonder if he can swim in lava, the big shit out.
It's on this guy. She's burnt to death, look at her. Stupid. It's just got pixelated.
Look at that guy back on.
Let's look at that skinny cunt back on. Is that? The fuck is that thing? Look. It's fucking dominate
Look at
ball.
that skinny cunt.
Look at that skinny cunt. It's on that cunt. It's stupid as character.
You've got your ass cracking.
He's got shit stained boxes. See that? The fuck is dragon bombing it about?
You
Yeah.
will never have it in your lifetime,
I'm
sweetheart.
number one of the fighting game community.
That's
You never
really
do it.
cute. You say that. That's really cute. You know what, Harry Smith?
Do you want to know why? Because the fighting game community is full to the brim of geeks. That's why. I'd run through them like they're nothing.
Deary me. You are coughing hard, bro.
I'm not coping. I'm just being realistic about the situation.
I don't think real life.
Look at that for a beast, man.
Oh my god, what is that noise?
Talking, they own a fireworks shop and they just shoot fireworks all night every night. Unlimited firework glitch. Oh! Oh shit! Incredible!
I know where.
I know I should have 12 on here. You got my keyboard? Yeah. You wankers.
Holy fuck. Whoa.
Till they got this kid with some big what were they like some big fucking zombie machete in his hand. Big fucking zombie machete in his hand, bro.
No, these BMW blacked out BM slammed into the side of the White Swan in Wibsey, smashed all the wall in.
Yeah.
Fucking 6 dudes hopped out with ballies on and machetes, and they ransacked the pub. They ransacked the pub trying to get this kid.
Really?
Yeah. He's jumping on me!
Oh, dude, right there. What are you doing? Cracked him. Oh,
Dead.
crack this guy. Dead. What the fuck's going on?
Oh!
Oh shit!
He's on your ass.
You can see.
What the fuck? There's a random dude on me!
Yep. Yeah, boss.
Oh, he's won it! Dive on him! Oh! Sign me up to NRG right now, you pussies. Yeah, look at this. Yeah, just have to wake up, is it?
Who's the kid? Cracked him.
Oh!
Come on. Look at him on. Look at him on.
Oh, what the fuck did I just do?
Oh my gosh. What's going on here? It's it. Killed her. Should I get sucked in?
Oh! He's won it!
9 damage. It's him 9 damage. 54.
How do you get there?
27.
This is the worst map design.
You
have to maneuver around that maze before you can actually get to the fight.
Look at him right there. Yeah, silly bastard. Wait, little dude here. He's coming screaming out. Yeah, sure. Oh shit.
I'll have to go and get some. Just sit back.
Yeah, cracked him service as well. The dude in the corner. Cracked him against with it.
This gun is so bad! Yeah, I'm not killing no. I'm not killing fucking jihadi. Yeah, what am I supposed to do? It's literally the worst fucking gun in the game. I've literally punched him. I punched him to death because...
Yeah, she's on for
You know a gun's back.
Oh, this guy's so